Stella. Hi.
Let's unsee.
Well, we gotta tape it first, then you can look at it. What are you doing out here? What are you doing out on the patio?
Unsee.
But what are you doing out here?
I love it.
Are you out here with Daddy? What were you guys doing?
We have a crazy pop now.
Who's this? Who are you?
Unsee. Unsee.
There's the Stella we know. There's our Stella. Ooh, the true Stella comes out.
Unsee.
Where's the angel Stella?
Unsee, Betty.
Benji?
Unsee, Betty. Unsee. Unsee, Betty.
What color are the straps on your dress? Whoop. What color are your ribbons?
No.
Oh no. Do you need to sit into timeout? Okay. Pick that up. That's Daddy's phone.
No.
You better pick it up, Stelly. Thank you. Hand it nicely to Mama. Stella. That's very naughty what you did. I see. What are you doing? And what are you going to do with that? What are you going to do when you get it out? Hmm? What's Daddy and Benji doing back there? What are Daddy and Benji doing in the back? Huh? What are they doing back there? Did Daddy and Benji sleep in the tent last night? Huh? When you get a little bit bigger. What are they doing right now? Are they taking the tent down?
The house.
You're going to help?
Huh.
That is so nice. Thank you. Bye.